ना तू ज़मीन के लिए ना तू आसमान के लिए, ना तू ज़मीन के लिए ना तू आसमान के लिए, ये जहाँ है तेरे लिए, तू नहीं है जहाँ के लिए। The barking with the name of Almighty Allah, who the most merciful and most beneficent, and who loves us more than 70 mothers. First of all, I want to greet your respectable community leader, esteemed director, my charming Habibians. I want to greet you with these words, Assalamu alaikum. As today we are gathered to talk about a meritorious topics which have been picked by the management of Habib's English Academy, namely importance of vocabulary. My dear, before moving further, I would like to say one of the quotation. Someone said it, rise your words, not your voice. Rise your words, not your voice. It's a rain that grow flower, not thrown. Now you can see that. Wherever you will go, whomsoever you will meet, you need words. The words is such things like never waste words on the people who desire your silence. Sometimes the most powerful things you can say, nothing at all. My dear Habibian, now you can see that the words are too kind. Some people they are misbehavior with someone else. Some people they are speaking in respect way, in a good way. Now let me talk about that what is the cherish, what their status, who are talking misbehavior. No one is like them. Everybody used to call them he's uneducated, he don't know about anything. Why? Because of that they have no such kind of words, they have no manner. Now if I will talk about how much words are necessary to speak English language or other language. So words can be like, if you don't know, if someone said that the words are blood. If just you have gun, it's a useless. If you have words, it means that you have blood and you can shoot anyone else whomsoever you want. My dear, many people used to say that how did you manage to speak English? How did you manage? But I would like to say, everyone can manage if he have really hard work, if really know about the some of the way his success. And next quotation, तुम्हें उर्दू बोलने के लिए उर्दू की ज़रूरत नहीं, तुम्हें उर्दू बोलने के लिए उर्दू की ज़रूरत नहीं, लफ्ज़ की ताकत से तो अंग्रेज़ी भी समझ जाती है. My dear, now you can see that if you will know all the words, vocabulary, you will never hesitate. And you will speak continuously in the debate, in the speech, in everywhere. Why not in assembly? Because of what? Because of that you have words, you prepare well, and today collect you many words about this thing. Now you can see that, my dear. As here's another quotation. Someone said, words are like keys. Words are like keys. If you choose the right words, they can open any heart. Let's suppose that I'm talking to you in good behavior. My respect will be more in your eyes. Because of what I used a great words in front of you. You will say me he's great person. And you will give me such kind of the great respect. My second point is that try to keep your tongue very softly. Because tongue have no bone. But it's enough to broke heart of anyone else. If you will talk anyone else your word, whatever you are going to talk, what you have to spoke, remember think that what will be result of it, what will be conclusion of it. If you know that what I am going to talk today, what will be effect on my audience. So like so, always remember, if I will talk about the many audience, my third point, many Habibians, many speakers from any academy, they used to say that I pass active, passive, direct, indirect, tense, usage, even I don't know how to speak. Because of that, they are not remembering well the words. My dear, such much they are the more cherished and more value and more status to word to speak English. Remember that the words are dress of your thought. If you have words, it means you have dress of your thought and your thought is not naked. Like wherever you are getting words, try to remember them. Well, good behavior. Now you can see that. In other words, someone said that इल्म से जिंदगी बनती है, जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी. इल्म से जिंदगी बनती है, जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी। ये खाकी अपनी फितरत है, ना नूरी है ना नारी है। माय डियर, नाउ यू कैन सी दैट if you will have a knowledge, so you can make your this world too also and next world also. This because of your words. If just suppose always you are keep calm, you do not talk with anyone else, and people will say really he's great boy, because you are not speaking more, and whenever you are speaking you are using a great words. Don't use fancy words, it can break heart of anyone else. Why not even related? Why not even your enemy? Why not even your friend? Why not your teacher? Why not your family member? Even why not he will be the big enemy. The more you will speak respectfully, the more you will earn the respect. It depends upon you, my dear. Now you can see that in this whole the world, in this whole the ecosystem, many people they are misguided. They don't know they are being hither and thither. Sometimes they are going to run against straight steps, sometimes they are being here, there. It's not fine. Actually, my dear Habibian, this is the importance of vocabulary. If you will remember, one day you will be like a great speaker like Elon Musk, and one of your Pakistani speaker are many. They are great speakers. You will be like them, and you will never hesitate. Now, remember, here J.K. Rowling said, happiness cannot be found even in the darkness of time. Happiness cannot be found even in the darkest of time if one who remember to turn on the light. At last, I must, intermission of my speech, I would like to say, every day you are getting the 20 words in Habib's English Academy. So try to remember them for making your speech even more better. So I would like to say thank you. Thank you so much.